Downloading data from Uber can help you access your ride history, receipts, and other personal information. Follow these steps to easily obtain your data. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your personal data. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to find account-related options. Step 3. Request your data. Scroll down to find the Privacy section. Here, you will see an option to download your data. Tap on it to initiate the data request process. Step 4. Confirm your requests. You may be prompted to confirm your identity or specify the type of data you want to download. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Uber. They will send you a link to download your data once it is ready, which may take some time. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Uber. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.